Hello once again, people. My name is Slippery Flippers and welcome back to another Happy Wheels video. This is part 3. Yeah, part 3. Part 3 of Happy Wheels video. Just started on YouTube, so hit that subscribe button if you do, that helps a lot. Thank you. And leave some comments, but no negativity. I'm not all about that. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, etc, etc. Anyway, let's get started, shall we? That's something I don't know. The elevator. Let's play the elevator. Hang on. Like that. Hang on. Maybe that's a bit better. I don't know if you could still hear me. Hang on. I'll just leave that. You probably hear me a tiny bit better now. But anyway, no, hang on. Oh, damn. Ah, there we go. Sorry for that little delay. Elevator. Okay. What? Warning. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh, okay. Go backwards, maybe. Oh, what? Oh, gee. Oh, I keep saying Jesus too many times. So I'm saying, whoa, that is bad lag. That was really bad lag. Anyway, get carried away. I'll keep saying Jesus too many times, so ignore me for when I do that. Come on, get down. Warning, yes, get home. And smash. Oh, God. I'll give up. So, how's your day been today? Really? Ah, it's interesting. Hold the rocket. Play now. Who should we be? Should we be this slider? Maybe? Come on, load. Try and be that one. Download. Yeah, it's these. These little love couples in the bicycle. Oh, what the hell? Like that. Yeah, there we go. Don't know why it keeps doing that. I should just get it to record the whole screen. Because then it'd be just right in this one. Oh, sorry, there. Oh, okay. If you're stuck, press down. Whoa. No. Everybody. Yeah. Whoa. Pogo jump. You ready? I'm always ready. I'm ready. What's down there? Oh, duh. I just memorized Pogo jump. I pressed the damn wrong person. What? Oh, Jesus. Oh, so yeah, I keep saying Jesus, so sorry for that. Awesome ball throw, let's play that. It's awesomeness. Pure awesomeness. Hang on, there we go. Okay. Is this all I got? Nothing. Wait a minute. Oh God. Why are these ones so douche? Oh, that's not noise. That's mean. I'm telling my mom. I'm joking. Come on. Oh Jesus. That's one. Make it king. Obviously. He just started. Ooh. What? That is weird. I have no way that happened. Let's see. Coddly members. The right character V2. 19. Let's try this. What? Is this all it is? Oh! Yeah, that is probably. Oh no, oh no. It's gonna say, change character. No! Took my head off. Oh god. Well, that's pretty much impossible. Well, it is possible. But, it's time to play this, I will explain. Epic heart donation. Bet you can't do it. Do what? Let's choose these. Watch out! This is lagging really bad. I don't know. Whoa! Get out of my. Whoa! What do I do now? I think I might be stuck. Crazy sword though. I think we played that. What was that? I think that was amazing sword though. But that's enough for a sword guys. Epic quiz. Use it a bit though. Press control when falling. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh god. White grass. Jesus. Oh my god. Grass is blue. Press control. What the hell does control do? Hang on. What the? No, fair enough. Which is biggest? iPad mini? Oh, Jesus. Do all birds fly? That is actually a good. What am I talking about? Well, he called you. Man, I'm a retard. Obviously. I'm just joking. Bungee jump. Thing I've always wanted to do in life is skydive. Now finish, but save epic replays. Okay. Woo! What the? He's dead. He's dead. Oh, bad news, I'm afraid. Your husband, he dead. Boxed Palgo. Is doing, I don't know. Try to survive. Almost 8 minutes. Going to school. Okay. Oh, school on Monday. And it's Saturday. I love YouTube. What would you rather do? Oh, anyway, what would you rather do? Chop off your foot to save the internet, or just let it leave? Leave a comment and see which one you'd do. So it would be. Oh, for God's sake! I'll give it with a chop off a foot. Just a random question. Save the internet, or just have no internet. I would actually play different games, but I haven't got that type of computer that has a good graphics card. Welcome to the Hell House. Whoa! Easy. That's more than hell. What the heck? What? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. I don't know why. Oh, seriously, every time. See where the kid goes. Oh! Where is he? Oh, there it is. Didn't see that one coming. Super Crazy Stairs. Let's play Crazy Stairs. I'm gonna choose a different character because I'm always choosing the same one. Ooh. Irresponsible mom, I think. I don't know. What the hell is this? Crazy Stairs, it's called. Oh, the kid on the back. Yeah. Oh, now look what he did. He just got us all killed. Move. Ah. Run! No! Come on, you can do it. What about if I reverse? No, just reverse. Nope. I shouldn't have picked this character. It's something to do though, eh? A little challenge in the game won't hurt. And this little shizzle gets up the stairs. Oh! I'm changing the character. Ah. Nothing like a person in a wheelchair in Norths getting up some stairs. Oh my god. I even can't get up the stairs with these. There we go. I don't trust that. What? Am I getting the cannon? I'm only going to get harpoons down there. Damn it, harpoons. Damn it. Woo! Whoa! Hey up! Does his head come off? No? What does his head then? It's like, what? Maybe I can get up there with this. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Dun, 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 dun. File. I don't even know. Many stairs you gonna what? Tell me. 1% possible. Well, that's basically impossible. If it's 1% then it's gonna be possible. Oh my back. What the hell? What is this stuff? Come on. Come on. What the hell am I supposed to... Let's try this again. I don't even know where to go. Do I just like jump the whole thing or something? What do I do? I'll probably stop at 13 minutes maybe. Well, that just came in. 13 minutes, I'll probably stop. And I'm sorry if these videos are a bit too long, but, you know, our bottle. This is gonna be a challenge. Because you're shooting the bottles and you're getting across it. Bottle one here. Ooh! Ooh! What? Come on. Come on. Is that it? Shut up! Okay, I'll end it there. So, remember guys, stay tuned, comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.